How to find and share your Chromebook's build details. Whenever you contact Google Support or the official community forum, they ask you questions about your device. This includes your Chrome OS version, firmware version, and many other things. Let me show you how to copy these details about your Chromebook. To get started, open the Chrome OS Settings app. From the left panel, select About Chrome OS. On the About Chrome OS screen, select Additional Details. Do you see the Build Details section on this page? There is a clipboard icon next to it. Select this clipboard icon to copy your Chromebook's build details. You can now paste this information to an email or a forum page. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know by clicking the like button below.